Hi everyone, this is Ofer with Valley Internet. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to unplug an Ethernet cable from a network port. An Ethernet cable, sometimes referred to as Cat5 or Cat6, has a little clip that helps it stay secure into a network port. When you want to pull the cable out, you will need to press and hold the clip and then pull the cable from the network port. Some Ethernet cables have a thick plastic jacket that protects the clip. This jacket makes it difficult to press the clip, so you will need to apply firm pressure on the plastic jacket in order to pull the cable out. Thank you for watching.